sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko.
Who's this? Bye. Bye. Wait, aren't you the girl who dropped her notebook?
Yes, actually, aren't you the boy who bumped into me?
Excuse me? I'm a man, not a boy.
Hey, where's my notebook?
Oh, here, I forgot. Thanks.
When is this done?
Ever since I returned your notebook, you've been avoiding me for a while. What's wrong?
What do you mean? You just left. Girl, why you're so mean? Okay, Kimberly, let's go because the bell is already wrong. Oh my god, she's so familiar! I don't know her. I think she's the new transfer. I think. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta go. Bye. Bye! Kate, is that you? That's young Nigel? Yeah! Kate, I'm so thirsty. Let's go at the room.
Here's a promise so our bond will never break. Thank you.
Thank you for this, I'll cherish this forever.
No problem.
So when